Hey guys, and welcome to my newest video. In today's tutorial we're going to talk about how you can reset your WordPress website basically in a few minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install a plugin, but before that, here is how my site looks right now. There is a lot of different stuff. So how do we reset that? We're going to go back to dashboard and we're going to go to plugins. Left click on add new plugin. It's going to take us to this page right here. We're going to basically type reset and click enter. This is the plugin we want. So VP Reset, the most advanced WordPress reset tool. Left click on install now. And after it's installed, we're gonna get this activate button right here. Left click on activate. And here we're gonna dismiss this right here. We're gonna find the VP Reset and we're gonna click on open VP Reset tools. Refresh the page so we can get rid of this ad right here and go to the bottom. In the bottom we can basically just type reset and we can uncheck this reactivate VP reset plugin and just click on reset WordPress and delete all custom files and data, or maybe not reset. Just a second here in this option right here. So we're not gonna reactivate VP Reset plugin. We're just gonna type reset in small letters and left click on reset site, reset WordPress. We're gonna wait for it to finish. So after it's finished, we're just gonna go to the visit site so we can see if it resetted, and as you can see I have a whole new site right here. So that's it guys for today's video. I basically showed you how you can reset your WordPress website and basically do a factory reset, and that's it guys. Thank you.